Clearly articulate what habits you want to establish and their purpose. Start small. Begin with one habit at a time to avoid overwhelm. Set a schedule. Allocate specific times for each habit in your daily routine. Accountability. Share your goals with a friend or use an app to track progress. Consistency. Stick to your routine, even on tough days, to build habit strength. Reward yourself. Celebrate achievements to reinforce positive behavior. Review and adjust periodically. Assess and adapt your routines to stay relevant and effective. Be patient. Understand that habits take time to form. Stay persistent and forgiving of setbacks.